Hello guys, in today's lecture we are going to learn about the frame attributes that we will be discussing. So in the previous lecture we learned about the frames, that what is frame and how to create frames, right? And in this lecture we will see some more attributes of the frames. So let's start. Today one more thing, that I will show you output in different browsers, right? So just like, see, this is the Firefox, then this is your Chrome browser, okay, sorry, this is Internet Explorer, and this is your Chromium browser, which is similar to the Chrome. So Chromium, then Internet Explorer, and this is Firefox. So how one script, the output of the one script differs from browser to browser, that also we will see today. So let's start. So as you can see that I have written some content, some text over here, but it is not displaying in the output, right? And also it is not giving me any error. The reason is that I have used this symbol, this. So basically this less than, exclamation, double dash and double dash greater than, in between whatever you will write, it will be considered as comment. Comment means you can write any description regarding your code, regarding any tag, anything regarding your logic. You can write anything, but your browser is not going to execute that portion. It will understand that this is the description, this is comment. Okay, so now let's start. First let's create the frame set and frame set. Let's create two columns, and in 50% is fine, I think, right? 50%. Okay. Let's create three columns just for the better understanding. So I'm just giving it 25 and 25%, right? Means I will have total 3 frames, column, frame and frame, right? Okay, this is extra. Okay. So let's check the output. This is the Firefox. Okay, as you can see that this web page is divided into 3 sections, 3 columns, right? We have frames. Now let's use the attributes one by one. The very first attribute is a source attribute. Source means what you want to display. Source means what you want to display in this frame. So first we will start with the image. Let's display some image in the source. Also you can display some other website page or some animation or any other thing that we will see in the consecutive lectures. But today in SRC, let's add some image. I have image earth.jpg, which is in the same folder, same location where this file has been saved. So first frame for the earth.jpg, let's check the output. Okay, right? So this is the output. There is one thing, that when you write the code, please make sure that after mostly 1 or 2 lines you check the output. So this is your Firefox output. The same thing, let's check in the Internet Explorer. So this is Internet Explorer. See the difference in the output, layout, output, right? Look and feel is different. This is Internet Explorer, this is Firefox, and the same code same script for the Chrome. So if you notice guys, all are giving different scenarios, right? See this. See, the left one, this one is the Firefox output. This one is this one is the Chrome output, and this one is for the Internet Explorer output. So how all are different? Like here you can see the scroll bars, right? Vertical and horizontal scroll bars, but here only horizontal scroll bars. Also the size is different, right, of the image, right? So this way you can see that the same script you write, but it may vary, the output may vary from the browser to browser. So you have to take care of these things, right? So okay, now let me write some more attributes, some more code. So this is about the first. Now let me add some more images. I have one more image, Mount Everest.jpg, and in the third, let's check the output. Okay, this is the second output, second frame, and in third I am just adding the one more image, nullreview.jpg, and let's check the output. Okay, so this is your Firefox output. Then this is your Internet Explorer output, and here we have Chromium output, right? So this way you can check the outputs. Now let's add some more attributes. Here we have a frame spacing, that is 20. So let's add the frame spacing attribute in the frame set. Frame spacing, let's say I want 20. Frame spacing means I want some space between two frames. So frame spacing 20 pixels. Now let's check the output in the Firefox. So observe this portion guys, this location, this place. Okay, see, very minor difference is there, but let's check the same in another browser. So here we have the Internet Explorer. I'm just refreshing the page. See, here it is, right? You can see the gap, space between two frames, right? Let's see the same check in the Chrome. So there is no space, you can see, but okay, no that much effect. Now let's highlight this thing just to get a better idea. I'm using the another attribute, that is border color. Here first I am adding this in the frame set. Okay, so just keep in mind border color. Now let's check in the, this is the Firefox. See guys, very thin line is there, right? Means it is showing the output, but very thin line is there, thin space, very less space. Similar way, this is your Internet Explorer. Okay, so here 20 pixels means this is the based on the pixels, and same for the, okay, this is your Chrome. So again, if you notice, there is a difference in colors as well. See the shade of the colors, right? See, this is the shade. This is your Internet Explorer, this is your Firefox, and this is your Chrome, right? So moral of the story is that colors and graphics, all this matters from browser to browser. It varies actually. So see the colors and size, right? So this you have to take care. Okay, so after that let's add the frame border 0. You can use all these attributes. Frame border 0, let's add the, because we have already given the border color, so no need to use that. No resize. No resize is an attribute which you can use to not resize the frame or the image. That also you can check, right? One more attribute you can try by your own, that is okay, let me write it. The another attribute is the scrolling. The value can be yes or no. Yes or no, any value, anything. Let's use this scrolling. Let's say I am using this scrolling in this frame. Scrolling is equal to no, means I don't want any scroll bars, right? The same let me use for all the images. Let's use for all the images. Okay, so scrolling no for all the 3 images. Open the Firefox. See, before I refresh it, you can see that the scroll bars, right? You can see the scroll bars. Now let me refresh it. Okay, now no scroll bars, right? Now no scroll bars. So this way you can use all the many attributes are there. These are the basic attributes which you can use in your web page while you are working with the frames. So just try this code, check the output in various browsers, and do R&D with the values. Change the frame spacing, change the colors, border value, and just check the output, that what happens, right? So that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.